everybody, welcome back. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make the magic circle. So to begin, you're going to need your crochet hook and your choice of yarn. Okay, so now instead of just doing a slip knot and going into your work like that, what you're going to do is take the tail of your yarn like that and lay it across your fingers. And then you're going to take this side and you're just going to wrap it around and cross it over like that. So it's going to be a cross. And now you're going to be working with this piece of yarn right here. So now get out your hook and you want to go under this piece of yarn. So just go right on under and you want to grab that back piece of yarn and just pull it up. Now from here, with this yarn on your hook, you're going to reach over and you're going to grab this piece of yarn. So go ahead and do that. And you want to pull it through that loop you made. Okay, so see you have a chain right there. And now this piece of yarn, the original tail, is going to be through that loop you have. Just go ahead and pull it out, so that way it's on the outside of your circle. And now from here, you work into this circle. So for example, I'm just going to do some single crochets in here, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go ahead and do 5. Now the reason why the magic circle is so nice to work with once you get the hang of it is because usually if you were to use a slip knot and then work your chain to work your stitches into one of those chains, you're gonna have a circle or a gap in the middle. But for the magic circle, it's like magic. You go ahead and you just pull this. You pull the tail and you tighten it up, and look at that. There is going to be no gap at all, and it's going to be a nice clean finish. So if you're doing amigurumi like octopuses or beanies, this is definitely the way you want to go because it just makes it tighter and cleaner. And then you would just go into your first chain. I'm sorry, not your first chain, your first single crochet. And then just do a slip knot. And look at that, perfect, perfect little circle. And then you're ready to go on to your next round. So simple as that. So here, I'll go ahead and take this apart. And we'll go ahead and do the magic circle one more time. So your tail in your palm. Just hold that in place. Wrap it around. That. Go under, grab that, go around, grab like that, go ahead and pull it through. You're good. Go ahead and pull that tail out, and you're ready to start your work. And that is it. That is the magic circle.